video is really special for me because I'll be doing my sister's makeup. Yeah. If you're interested in watching this video, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
So first thing first, I'm applying the primer to minimize any pores and blemishes on her skin. So next I'll be using my Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade Butter Pecan. Fortunately, this foundation was an exact match to her skin and she was so happy with the foundation and the finish. And then I'm just blending it with my Damn Beauty blender to make her base more flawless. So then it's time to hide some dark circles under her eyes and brighten up the T-zone area. For that I'm using my Maybelline concealer in the shade Sand. And then taking my Small Beauty blender and blending it all around. Then I went ahead and put some more concealer on her eyelids to make a perfect base for the eyeshadow. Next I'll be setting that concealer with my Kat Von D translucent powder as she has oily skin. So it will help soak up the excess oil and make her base flawless. So next I'm taking my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette as she requested me to do a eye look with this palette. So I'm taking this transition shade and will put all over her eyelid. Next I'm taking the dark brown shade and will apply it to the outer V. Next I'll be taking the darkest brown shade from the palette and apply to her outer V to make it more intense. Next I'm taking a beautiful pink shimmery shade from the palette and applying all over her eyelid as I wanted to do a glam eye look for her. Next I am taking a fluffy brush and blending all things together so that there should be no harsh lines popping through. Next I am taking my Absolute Shine Line eyeliner in the shade Black and pulling out a beautiful wing. Next, I'll be applying the same eyeshadow on her lower lash line to make her eyes look complete and defined. Next, I'm taking my Nykaa highlighter and popping some on her inner corners to make her eyes look more bright. Next, it's time to apply some kajal on her lower waterline. For that, I'm using my Huda Beauty Life Liner. Next, I'll be doing her brows with my Benefit Cosmetics Groove Proof Eye Pencil and fill in some sparse area. Next, I'll be using some concealer on the edges of her eyebrows to make it more crisp and neat. So yeah, her eye makeup is complete and look how beautiful the eyes are looking. So next, I'll be using my Too Faced dark chocolate bronzer to contour her face. You can use a bronzer as a contour because there are no such rules. So I'm just making her face look more sculpted. So next, I'll be applying on her forehead to make it look smaller. Next, it's time to apply some blush. For that, I'm using my MAC blush in the shade Peaches, and it will give a very natural effect to the cheeks. Next, I'll be applying some Nykaa highlighter on her cheekbones, the bridge of the nose and the Cupid's bow. Next, it's time to apply some lipstick. For that, I'm using my Tarte in the shade Bounce, and this is a beautiful pink shade and it goes exactly with this eye makeup look. But before that, I'm just outlining her lips with a lip liner. So yeah, that's a complete look. Hope you all will like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
So yeah guys, that's her complete look. Hope you like this video. And you wanna say something?
Yeah, she has done amazing job. You can already see in the video, and I would like to request, please subscribe her channel. She gives a fantastic tips on hair care, beauty and makeup. Please press the bell icon and we will see in you in the next video.
Till then, take care. Bye bye.